Well, we're back. It's Crypto Big Boss. And you know what? We got another great video coming at you guys. Today I want to talk about Wemix. We're over here on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, Wemix is up 21%. They are enjoying some great growth here in the last 7 days. Take a look at this. Over the last 7 days, really cutting up. They were down as low as $4, and here they are now at $6. What is that? You know, they're up 50%. It's just, this is just the kind of thing you love to see. And as far as a project, boy, you know what? We know how to pick them. You guys come to this channel because you want to know, you know, what cryptos might be viable to add to your portfolios, and we know how to find them. So I'm glad you guys have liked and subscribed, and I think you're going to find that Wemix definitely has something to offer. Let's just go over there to their site so we can get right to it, so you can find out just what Wemix is about. Check out this site, folks. Wemix, the first NFT pre-sale is going on. Rise of Stars. Okay, let's go back here. It's trying to jump on me. We're gonna go again. Okay, event page. What I want you guys to understand is we've been really showcasing a lot of blockchain technology that is being used for gaming. Okay, for gaming. Okay, and Wemix is one of those. On Wemix, they've got about 10 games here. Look at this. What is that? Bird Tornado, Crypt Tornado. I don't even know what this is. This is in another language. What is it? Chinese, or I don't know what that is. Galaxy Tornado, Fishing Tornado, Aqua Tornado. Is everything tornado? Then we got Rise of Stars on Wemix and Blade Reaction. Okay, what I love though is what they say here. Blockchain games are not difficult to play. Just try it out. Look at this business model, y'all. Sign up in Google, create a wallet, and play. This is the future. Enjoy Wemix anytime, anywhere. We provide an easy to use user interface, token exchange, item exchange, and a wallet. There you have it. Look, these folks are bringing the goods right to your phone. Okay, they're bringing it right to your desktop. They're not playing around. They've already built the games. They've already established their token. They've already integrated the technology. All you have to do is decide if you want to play the games and get into the NFTs, or do you want to just invest in the currency. Folks, this is a winner. There's no way around it. So when I look here and I see that it's $6.70, look, I want to take us all the way back to the whole thing. This Wemix has been as high as almost, what is that? Oh my goodness. It's been much higher. It's been up here in the sky somewhere around $25, okay? It's been as high as $24, almost $25 at one point. And I think it will go there again. I'm going to go ahead and put this out. I think it's going to be hard for it to get there this year, but I do think it can get to $18. I'm going to go ahead and make $18 my price prediction for Wemix in 2022. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making them. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.